Morning, gentlemen.
Morning, people.
Here we go, packing up for the ride home.
Ready to go.
And look at it.
Tour de
The
Faff
last day,
2020.
we're going home. And after all that rain, hardly a cloud in the sky today. Never mind, we've had a giggle.
Hello guys, good morning. We're ready to go. How you doing, Nige?
Knackered.
Bike all packed? All your gear dried?
Knackered.
Gloves?
Dry.
Dry.
Don't go for hair dryers.
How's your bike performed? Perfect.
Superb. Yes, we might actually keep that one.
What about you, Steve?
Loved every minute of it.
Yeah.
I reckon we'll go back and do it again. Now
It's been a wonderful tour. Yeah, I've enjoyed every single minute of it. I want to thank you guys for taking us along. Appreciate that. It's been a pleasure.
It's been a pleasure.
Oh yeah. Time to close the video and get back on the road for the final stint. Is that right, Nige?
It is, homeward bound. Ready?
Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Nige? You can't hear me, can you?
Of course I can, just taking a piss.
Good morning.
I can hear you loud and clear.
Good. Not too loudly, I hope. So do you recommend them gloves then?
They held out for 6 hours. Brilliant they were. I mean, they did get wet in the end.
Yeah, but that's a lot, isn't it?
But that was excessive, wasn't it?
It was biblical, wasn't it? Well, thank you, Bishop. No, it's not Bishop Auckland, is it?
Ripley.
Thank you, Ripley Premier Inn, for a lovely night. We didn't eat last night, did we? Because we were still full up from the massive breakfast we had the previous day.
We stuffed our faces, bloody breakfast.
That's it. So we stuffed our faces again. I didn't check my tyres this morning.
I haven't checked mine since we've been away. I mean, it's normally pretty good.
Yeah, it's just peace of mind, isn't it?
I mean, the good thing is I can press a button and have a look.
Yeah,
that makes you lazy.
When we stop for our first break, I shall make sure my phone is definitely charging, and I'll check my tyre pressure as well now. I do kick them every morning, they sound right.
So we are testing the Mic 3 this morning.
Oh, are we?
We are. So I have the Mic 3 in my helmet. It is paired to the 5 Pro. So we'll see what kind of audio we get with this. Because with the Mic 2, it's normally pretty bang on.
And are you recording on
Float 32?
Float 32 as well, are you?
I think so. I need to look at the old instructions for the Mic 3 to see what I'm doing properly. Camera on the left.
But we don't do instructions.
No. Let's jiggle me trousers down.
That's a lovely little jiggle you've got there, Nige.
It's a good shimmy.
It's a good thing about running your camera on batteries. It encourages you to stop that every hour, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Otherwise, we would just sit there all day, wouldn't we?
I see you booby trap the toilet.
Booby trap the toilet.
I opened the door to go for a pee and woof, slapped me right round the face.
I was a bit concerned I didn't go yesterday. I was
well, I think you made up for it this morning.
I did, yes.
I thought,
but
fucking hell.
What's better for it?
I thought I was walking into a sewage farm.
Well, it's sort of getting me home back for the other morning. What were your exact words? I'd leave it a month if I were you.
Yeah, leave it a good month.
I mean, the extractor fans in their bathrooms are good, but not that good.
Yeah, they're earning their money this morning, though. Fucking hell. Here we go. Black stripes matter.
Hey! some of this water off my windscreen now.
If it was me, I would be insistent that you're not having that. You say it's not up to the job.
Oh no.
It's not fit for purpose. The minute rain gets into it, it's useless. But and I would be saying right from word go, it drops a bloody connection. It turns itself on and off.
Yeah, it makes it all bitty, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So how do I sound when it goes wrong, Nige? Because you do right. That's it. They're bloody useless, aren't they?
That's where they train them to just chuck your parcel over the fence or chuck it down by your bin. Yeah.
Or leave it in the garden you haven't got.
Yeah. See, people say, oh, why do you want an adventure helmet? That peak is just keeping that sun out of my eyes brilliantly.
Yeah. Plus, you get a wider field of view, don't you?
Oh, the side vision on this is so much better.
Yeah. I couldn't believe it when I first put the adventure lid on the LTRK. I can actually see the top box when I look round.
Yeah.
You know, it's so much safer.
It wouldn't be a bad idea is when we stop is charge the Cardos as well and the mics.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm up for that. Sounds like, you know, to me, like you're trying to take away the faff out of our tour.
Right, I assume... What are you fucking doing?
It's a micro.
He could have gone up and come back down again if he'd have fucked up.
Yeah. So what did you think of my accommodation choice then, sir?
Oh, they're good as gold, aren't they?
I know we have spoken about it, but the cameras weren't on, were they?
Nah, I mean, you can't really go wrong with them, can you? Especially with the ones that have got the pub next door for breakfast.
Yeah, yeah.
Unlimited breakfast, I hasten to add.
All for £10.99. And if you come with a bag, you can fill up with croissants and pan of chocolates and take them with you for the rest of the day.
Look at these two twats racing each other like American and Tesla. Oh, look, a bit of road rage there.
I think you could be right.
He wants him to move out of the way and he ain't having it. He's right up his ass.
Yeah. No need for it, is there?
Well, they'll end up killing some other poor bugger.
That's the problem, isn't it? When you play silly buggers, it's usually some innocent person gets taken out with it.
Mm.
So what about the caravan then? Did that meet your approval?
Yeah, it was good as gold, wasn't it? I mean, the amount of time you spend in it anyway.
Yeah, the amount of time you spend in there, it is somewhere to put your head in at the end of the day.
Yeah.
But we cooked a meal in there, didn't we? We had plenty of room to store our gear.
That bit of road there had more fucking stretch marks than most of the women in shorts we saw this week. Fucking hell.
And you could tell they was on holiday because it was peeing down with rain and they were still going to wear their shorts, weren't they?
Yeah, they're fucking having that cellulite out, weren't they? Yeah, you gotta love those northern women, innit? If they're on holiday, even they don't shave. They let their stubble grow for the week.
They had a lot more stubble than I got, though. Blue skies, eh? Forgot what they look like. Oh, what's that sign there, Nige?
Lovely.
Black stripes matter. Little bend. Tap and run.
Great game that used to be.
Yeah, we used to call it knock and run, but same difference,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah.
Had hours of fun doing that. Never got bored, did it?
We used to take some black cotton as well and tie it around someone's door knocker at night.
Yeah.
And then go and hide over the road, give it a couple of taps, and then when they come and look and there's nobody there, of course, fucking, the minute they shut the door and they get back in, you knock it again, and they open it quick and think, who the fuck I was doing that? And then they twig that there's black cotton.
But it was so much fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Leicestershire. Oh, you picked another cracking road here, Nige.
Yeah, well, when I kept looking at it, I kept thinking, well, there is no way you're going to have to put up with some city shit.
Yeah.
But if we could have roads like this, it would more than make up for it. 5 more minutes and I'll pull over and swap the batteries.
Okie dokie. Also, I'm going to double check my phone just to be on the safe side.
I'll keep my eyes open for a lay-by in a minute. I like that. They give you a countdown to the 30-mile-an-hour limit.
Yeah.
Right, what we got here? No, that's someone's driveway. Hey, big
Thanks.
pull in here.
Yeah, that'll do. Oh, my indicator's working again. Cool.
See, we said there'd be something.